Let's have a look at the main drivers for flips. So we're going to start by estimating the average EBITDA per one slot before head office costs. And in order to do that, we simply need the number of flips we are able to do within one slot within 1 year. And obviously the average EBITDA per one flip. The average EBITDA per one flip will depend on two things. So the value of the property at selling price and the value of the property at purchase price, as well as the cost of flip. The number of flips done on one slot will depend obviously on how many months we've got in the year. So it's always 12, and then the duration of one flip. So if I'm able to do a flip within 3 months, I'm able to do 4 flips in 1 year with one slot. If the duration is, for example, 6 months, then I'm only able to do 2 flips. So the duration of the flip will impact the number of flips done on one slot. Once we've got the number of slots, we can actually see how much EBITDA we can generate from all the slots before obviously head office costs. So the next step is obviously to deduct the cost of head office, and this is what we're going to do here. So we've got the EBITDA from the slots before head office costs that we got from multiplying the slots and the average EBITDA. And from that, we deduct the head office cost to get to the total EBITDA on the company. The head office costs will depend on 3 main things. So rent, people, and obviously other costs. The people cost, so in other words, labor will depend on number of people and average wages, and the rent will depend on number of square meters that we need for our office and also to keep the things we need for the flips, and some fee per 1 square meter. So that's in short when it comes to the main drivers that you've got in the flipping business. Let's move to the case study where we will analyze in details in Excel the profitability of this business.